Hi, my name is Ariel and I go to Gavitt High School. I'm currently enrolled in graphic design and digital imaging. What we're learning today is regarding shapes and embroidery.